It's never too late to soak your fruits for the Christmas plum cake. In this video, I would like to show how I soak the dry fruits. So let's check out all what that goes in for soaking. I have taken 3 types of peels, that is papaya, mosambi and orange peels. I have also taken some black grapes, some dried cranberries, some golden raisins, little tutti frutti and red glazed cherries. All these dry fruits are available online as well as in dry fruit shops. You can soak these dry fruits any time of the year, not just for Christmas cake but for many other recipes as well. I will be cutting the dry fruits into smaller pieces. It will not only get soaked well but also you will get good slices when you cut the cake. You can also chop ginger candies, orange candies, apricots and dates as well. Soaking the dry fruits in rum or brandy adds lots of richness and flavor to the end product. You can soak these dry fruits for a minimum of 48 hours to even a year. You can use it any time of the year to make rich fruit cakes, Christmas puddings, chocolate bars, muffins and even fruit breads as well. So why just wait for Christmas? Start soaking your dry fruits even today. You can make rich fruit cakes or even white fruit cakes and wrap them with marzipan and fondant and use them as celebration cakes throughout the year. Oh, didn't forget, you can add these to your muffins and pancakes as well. I will continue chopping all of these and this is the size I have kept. So I have finished chopping all of it, though I haven't chopped the tutti frutti as they were already small in size. If your golden raisins are small in size, you need not chop that as well. It's better to soak these dry fruits in an airtight glass jar or container. Avoid using plastic containers and make sure the lids are tight enough. You can also use these types of glass bottles for soaking these dry fruits. I had taken 1/4 kg of all these mixed dry fruits. You can take any of the dry fruits of your choice in any ratio. For those of you who would like to measure in cups, this would measure approximately 1 3/4 cup. And this amount of dry fruits is enough to make an 8x4 loaf cake. I do not add nuts over here. Nuts can be added at the time of baking or preparing any recipes. So that was a total of 1 cup plus a 3/4 cup of this dry fruit mix that I have taken and put it in a glass jar. I will just now mix it well. You can soak these dry fruits in rum, brandy or even wine. I like soaking these dry fruits in this brand of rum. I will fill it just in level with the dry fruits. For those who do not prefer alcohol, you can soak these dry fruits in orange juice or grape juice just 12 to 48 hours before using it. Now close the jar tight and keep it in a cool, dark place of your home, away from direct sunlight. See the level of the alcohol that I have used here. You can store this at room temperature or even in the refrigerator for at least a year. So I hope you liked the video on how I soak the dry fruits and all the tips that you can make use of these dry fruits not just for Christmas but throughout the year. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video. Till then, do like, share and subscribe and keep watching Garfin's creation videos. Take care. Bye-bye.